Hi, this is Andy Wood with Titan Home Lending. Today we're talking about tax tips that are important for your 2019 purchase or refinance. Some of the things that are going on right now with government shutdowns and the IRS not being open may affect your ability to close these days. Most important thing is when you're doing your 2018 return right now, this is when everybody's doing it, you want to make sure that you're not writing off unnecessary expenses. If you have a $60,000 salary and you're writing off mileage at 55 cents a mile, and you end up writing off $12,000 to $15,000 worth of expenses, you didn't make $60,000, you made $45,000 to $48,000. So any dollar that you write off as an expense could hurt you in your approvability. So if you're trying to buy a house this year, you might want to second guess that. The second thing you want to talk about is declining income. If you have a self-employed and you have your own business or you're a commission business, you always want to make sure that you're increasing your business. You don't want to show $100,000 this year and then bring it down to $80,000 or $75,000 this year, writing off a whole bunch of expenses. The IRS doesn't care if you write off less expenses, but if you have declining income, that might be an automatic turn down for your loan. So it's important to know where you are this year and what you're going to write off before you file it. The third thing we want to talk about is counting your 2018 income. If we're having to average up for your self-employed or you have a commission, you had a really good year in 2018, we need to make sure that you're actually filing your taxes this year. You don't want to wait for the automated system where your accountant does an electronic filing. There is a specific process you need to do. You'll get your tax returns done. You're going to have your accountant and you sign your tax returns. You will take 2 copies down to the IRS, and if you owe them any money, you want to take a cashier's check out of your account and take that down to the IRS. If you bring 2 copies of that, they will stamp it as being received, and then it is official. You don't want to wait for the IRS to log things in. Right now, after being closed for 35 to 38 days, they say it may even take them a year to catch up on the mail that they have not opened yet. So you don't want to delay your closing, and you want to be able to use your 2018 income. You want to do those by hand. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please call me if I can ever be of help, 727-410-9663. Thanks so much.